You know what bugs me about this error message is that there are two spaces here. Can you even define protected static? You can define protected static. Get this. Has method on null. So this reflection is going to be a problem. Oh, because it's static query reflection. Pow! Nothing! Printer debugging at its best. Okay, page something or other query. Do I have that class? Page something or other query. I do have that class. But it says it's not defined. Well, sort of. I mean, why is this query reflection not creating is what I want to know. Oh, because I'm not auto-loading the class map. Composer du. No. Why is it printing a whole analyzer? Why is it printing an analyzer? It doesn't have to print an analyzer. So all of that stuff, all of this stuff, by the way, is because of oh, that static property. Okay. Let's put a record in the database. Nope, not SilverStripe. Let's put a record in here. Home. Some home page content. Sweet. Find, get first. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Because I'm a dope is why. Get first on null, sure. Why is that so slow? Oh my gosh. Why is that so slow? Connect. That's so slow. What on earth is going on with that? SQL build. Okay, let's delete all of this crap. Delete SQL build, SQL insert, model build. Index. So slow! What are you doing? Okay, I need to print some things in here. Just to see where all of this is taking time. generated reflection. It's just, the query is just taking so long. So very long. And it prints nothing? Is that, am I seeing that right? It prints nothing? But here I'm printing this query. So what does find actually do here? Let's do find pk. Find pk 1. So slow. So slow. What is going on? Do you optimize? That's still incredibly slow. And what is this? Return call user array method. Call user method array. All of these return a query object, right? So if I call termination methods return model objects. I mean, it's getting there really quickly, but calling this method is such a pain. Maybe what I need to do is, so I can use 5, 6, right? Oh, but that's only in 7. I can only use the, because what I wanted to do is this, return that method parameters. Sure, why not? Let's comment all this out. No, I can't comment all that out because I need to see if it has the method. Has method? Has method is that slow? What? Has method is incredibly slow. Has method is so slow. Jeez. That's so slow. Oh my gosh. Query reflection methods. Jeez, that is, I can't actually do that. I can't actually do that. What I need to do is have a methods array. Okay, so what do we call this? Let's just say find goes to find. Let's just do find for the moment, because I want to actually get this to work. So if in array, and this is needle haystack, so if in array method static query methods, then print has method and run it. So quick! Oh my gosh! Okay, but it doesn't have that, right? It doesn't have that. We're going to change this to find. Bing! That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now, this is unfortunately not great. Instance is this. Return instance method parameters. I wonder if I can do spread in this version, or if it's only in PHP 7. No connection defined for database. Okay, but that's good. That's really good. I hate that this is, oh man, I hate that this is quoted like this. I hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. But, on the other hand, PHP-V, I can do spread operator in 5.6, which is really cool. PHP spread operator. I just want to confirm this. Argument unpacking. I just want to confirm that this is actually available. It totally is available. It totally is available. That's amazing. 5.6 all the way. 5.6 all the way. PHP 5.6 is amazing. Okay. So we can do this stuff really quickly, and it's pointed us at the error, which is that we don't have a database connection for Propel. So, building, I guess. Setting up configuration. Connections. I totally have a connection there. Propel. Connections. SilverStripe. It's totally right there. Totally, 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 totally. There's not even... It's not even a guess if it's there or not. It's totally there. So maybe I'm configuring it wrong. Propel databases connections bookstore. Let's go to PHP. Propel database connections bookstore. Default connection connections generator. Default connection connections. Those are all the same. All the same, all the same, all the same, all the same. Config convert. That's gross. That's gross. It's got to generate a flippin' rendered config as well. No database defined. It is! It is! It is! And you've got to require that. What? What? That's ridiculous!